One of the big differences I noticed would be the speed of the drill and how much faster we're able to put in our anchors, drill our holes to be able to get to our next task.
The new 1-inch SDS rotary hammer, I've experienced a big advantage with the new speed that the clutch never once gripped. It was continuous speed all the way through the whole 8 inches of depth. It's very impressive. So when you're talking safety, that clutch is number one. Anyone can appreciate it. I've been doing this for 18 years and I've seen guys miss time for shoulder injuries and wrist injuries. You gotta see that happening in the future with these advancements.
I'm putting up hundreds of them a day and the battery will last all day long.
I've drilled over 200 holes in a concrete slab just recently on one battery charge.
With the 6.0, it lasts longer, so I don't have to worry about it dying in the middle of something.
That AUTOPULSE actually knocks any of that excess dust that usually likes to stay in the collector. It gets it away.
I like the ability to empty the dust out of the container by a vacuum through suction. It made it easier and safer to empty the dust container out.
Also available is the M18 FUEL 1-inch SDS Plus Rotary Hammer with 1 key, which allows users the ability to track and manage their rotary hammer.